We are in France waiting to go through the Loch. And all these people want to film it outside our boat. And this is Petite France in Strasbourg. And we're going to go through there. But we had to get level with the river up ahead. So the Loch raised up and brought us up. And now all these people are waiting to watch us go through. Here we go. The gates are opening.
So you gotta check a remote.
I think we have to make sure we're straight because we're gonna rush through quick with the water. As soon as the water gets level, we're gonna go whoosh right through. See, the gates are opening in the Loch. We're about to go through. Strasbourg, France. We are in Petite France on the boat called Batorama. $14 a person at the Loch. All these bystanders are watching, and we're about to go through. Say goodbye to the people. Bye.